Hi y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Y'all obviously just stopped into the Tim spot. Today we're here at a bowling alley in South Trinidad. It's a recently opened bowling alley. It's called Prestige Lane. So we're here today and I'm taking you guys along with me on my adventure. So let me show you all what's happening. And to be honest with you all, bowling is not something that I do very often, but I got the opportunity to come to this place today and decided that I would just take up the offer because, you know, it looks like something fun to do. Now, I am not good at bowling at all, but I really tried my hand and eventually I was able to hit my stride and score right. But it was actually really fun just to see people so into it and see people so competitive, and I was just getting into that competitive mood, and I eventually just practice and practice and practice on the bowling alley, and then I just eventually scored, and it was really fun to be honest because so many people was clapping and cheering you on when you scored, and so it made for a really good exciting time. And of course, the times where I didn't score, I was like super upset, and everyone around me was just laughing at me. All I told y'all, I'm not good at this game at all. So yes, that's the bowling session and how it's going. I know you would have seen a little piece of me playing there. I just want to take you guys and show you guys a little bit around the place because it actually has a bar and a pretty lovely outside area. So as I mentioned before, this place is called Prestige Lanes in C3 Mall in South, and of course it is a bowling alley, but there's also like a restaurant as well as a bar, and you could come and eat and have drinks here as well and just really chill out and watch people bowling. There's a spacious car park because of course it's in C3 Mall, so you get like access to that as well, and there's some games for children, like if you want to play games they have that here, and so it's really nice. So that little arcade area there, I guess, for the kids to play, the back there, and some pool. Yeah. And speaking of drinks, you all know I had to get me a little drinky drink with my friends, so I end up getting this really beautiful cocktail. And listen, this girl customized this cocktail for me because I told her I wanted something very pretty to take pictures, and she understood the assignment, and so they're very convenient that way, which I love. And to be honest, I saw so many of y'all in this mall, and y'all reached out to me, y'all came up to me, y'all said hi, and so I'm always very welcoming. So if y'all ever see me out in public, just come and say hi, because I know some people were watching me and they probably would be a little bit intimidated. No, I'm very open, I'm very happy, I'm very welcoming. So that was really nice to see some of you all, to be honest. So just leave the bowling alley and we're heading to the food court to get something to eat. The mall is a bit crowded because there's other children out from school, so I'm guessing that accounts for that. But yeah, I'm seeing so many cute stores down here. Like, who knew they had like all of this? I didn't, obviously. And I'm hoping not to buy anything other than food, because you know. So I'm by Camera. Camera has a whole bunch of stuff, all kind of sweet and sour chicken, fish, pork, wings, roasted chicken. So I'm gonna get something here, maybe chicken and noodles or something. How affected now? Yes guys, so we just got our food and we're heading out to the food court, heading home. Thank you guys for watching my vlog today. Stay tuned for another vlog that I'll be dropping next week. Okay, bye.